video, I'll show you how you can make money searching Google. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you 3 different websites that are going to pay you to be a search engine evaluator. If you don't know what that is, basically guys, they're going to pay you for searching for things on Google and other types of search engines and then rating the search results. Okay, so they'll give you a certain query, whatever it is, it can be all sorts of different things. Then they want you to just search for that, see what sorts of things come up and give it a rating, okay, because they do have robots and stuff that do this, you know, stuff like that, technology that will do it for them, but it's not very accurate. They want real people to do this for them. So these 3 websites that I'm going to be showing you today, they all pay up to $15 per hour. They're around $12 to $15 per hour, so stay tuned and I'll show you more right now. Alright guys, the first one I'm going to show you is this one on your screen right now. This is Appen. You can find it at appen.com, A-P-P-E-N. I'll have a link for this in the description down below. I'll have links for all 3 of these websites down below right underneath my #1 recommendation. Okay, so once you finish watching this video, go check the description. So this is Appen, and like I said, I've already explained what a search engine evaluator is. You will be doing exactly that on this. They will give you some search queries, you'll search for it, and you'll get paid to do it. So if you want to apply for this, you can click on this Find Flexible Jobs up here. This will take you to the careers, and like I said, here's a rater. So flexible, part-time, home-based work that requires a computer and or mobile device. So this one, guys, it is flexible. It's kind of flexible times, it's kind of part-time. They require you to do about 20 hours per week, but you can split that up whenever you want. Okay, you have to do 20 hours per week. You can do 10 hours over 2 days if you want. You can do 4 hours over 5 days if you want. It doesn't matter how you split up your time. It's entirely up to you. Okay, they do have some other jobs as well, on your like micro tasks and simple tasks. I've made videos about this before. I'm just gonna be focusing on this today because that's what I'm talking about in this video. So guys, to become a search engine evaluator, you're obviously going to need a general knowledge of all the search engines and how they work, okay? You should have used Google before, which I'm sure you have, and Bing and Yahoo, all of these different search engines. You're going to need a basic knowledge of how they work and stuff like that. You're going to need a very, very high attention to detail, okay? That's what they're looking for, people, very high attention to detail, and you must have the ability to follow instructions exactly how they give you the instructions. And that is to be a search engine evaluator. They also have another job on here, guys, a rater, in the rater category. It's going to be a social media evaluator. Okay, it's a little bit different. You're just going to be evaluating social media platforms. Like, so you're going to need to have an excellent knowledge of all the major social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. You're going to need to be like well versed in all of these. You probably need to be a daily user of all major search engines to even be considered for this one. So if you think you fit all of that criteria, guys, you can come onto this website. Like I said, I'll be linked in the description down below, and you can apply for it right here. Okay, just click the apply button and you can apply it right there. Alright, here is the next one. This is Rater Labs. Okay, this is under the same company as the last one. Okay, they got taken over like a couple of years ago, I think. So this is now under the same company as Appen. Okay, but this is a different job opportunity right here. This is with Rater Labs. Same exact job, just a little bit different. This one's actually got jobs available for a lot of different countries and different languages like Spanish, German, Arabic, all sorts of different languages are available to work with this one. Okay, so check this one out, guys. I'll have a link to this in the description down below as well. Not much more to say about this one, guys, but this one's going to work for a lot more. Okay, I think Appen is only available in like the US and maybe the UK as well, but Rater Labs is open to a lot more people depending on what language you speak. As you can see, look guys, please select your country and language. So there's so many different languages in here that they accept, from Polish, Spanish, Russian, Finnish, Greek, German, Danish, Hindi. There's so many different languages on here, guys. Arabic, like I said. Check this one out. This will probably work for a lot of you. And this one's going to pay around $14 per hour, which is not bad at all. So I have a link for this in the description down below. Check it out. Alright, the third and final website I want to show you is Lionbridge. I've actually spoke about this one in the past, guys, because they do have a lot of opportunities on here, and one of them is becoming a search engine evaluator, okay? So come onto this website. They offer jobs for, again, just like the last one I showed you, Rater Labs. This website has jobs for people of all sorts of different languages. As you can see here, guys, every language, every industry, one platform. They've got all sorts of jobs and all sorts of languages on this one. So if you want to come on here, guys, they don't always have specific jobs open. Okay, you'll have to come on here, check back now and again when a job opening comes available. So you can come onto this website, Again, link will be in the description down below. And click on here, join us, okay? This is a work at home job. You can do this anywhere in the world, guys, depending on your language. And as you can see, look, corporate associates, testers, raters, curators. So that's what we're talking about in this video. You can be a rater, social media rater, or search engine rater, or evaluator, whatever word you call it. Again, they've got translators jobs, interpreter jobs, all sorts of different jobs on you for all sorts of people around the world. So I highly recommend coming on this website, seeing what's available for you. You might get lucky, coming back every now and again to check what jobs are available, guys, and you're probably going to get